Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy and sell crypto with Bybit P2P. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Bybit app on your phone. From right to behind, simply go ahead, tap on this option of P2P trading given just on top among the options. Once you have tapped on it, it will simply gonna show you directly the buy and the sell option right over here. If you want to simply purchase, you can simply choose to check it out, the buy information, and you can even filter the Bitcoin, the crypto that you would like to purchase. Once you add the specific one, you will see the sale for the specific one. And once you've got it, you can tap on the buy option given. Tap on select another ad if you do not like, but this person's identity verification as well, you can check. And then tap on this option of select another ad if you wouldn't prefer it, but it would need to require to show this buy option beside. It will depend on how much you have to offer and how much you have in your assets. Now if you would like to simply sell, then you're going to switch to sale, and you can see this is how the selling purpose is simply opening up. You're going to go ahead, tap on top, right, and simply add in the amount that you would like to simply sell it for. You can simply filter the eligible, and you can also add all payment method, and you can choose from if you would like. Once you have chosen that and added all of the information, you are good to buy and sell from P2P likewise. Now the first thing, as you can see, you must have to be verified on your Bybit so you can do the transaction and can purchase and sell on it. So make sure to verify yourself and you're good to go. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.